Good morning, everybody. I'm excited for today. Me and Nicole are going to meet our friend at church, and then we are going to a sunflower field, which I've been waiting to go to all summer. This is what I plan on wearing. What you doing?
Laying out my makeup.
Are you ready to go to sunflower field?
Yeah, you know, first you gotta get ready.
Yup. We're about to get ready, and then we'll be on our way. Okay, we are on our way to church. We're actually kind of running late, but it's okay. We'll make it. I got Nicole driving, so I can do this. We made it. On time. Now we have to go find our friend. We just left church, so we are finally on our way to the sunflower field. I am pretty excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
We're here! This is an exciting moment. We'll count how many times I have said exciting. But now we have to find parking. It's like a little farm stand. It's cute. Here's the field. We have to wait for our friend to get here. We lost her leaving church somehow. We walking through the field. Nicole's leading the way. We were just at one field. Now we're walking over to the other one to see if we get some better camera angles. We'll see.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. I took over the camera. Over there, you'll see Shannon and our guest star Nat. They really don't know what they're doing, so it's pretty funny. There might be some bloopers at the end, who knows. Also, I'm totally ruining my suede shoes. Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome to our vlog! Thanks for being our guest today.
I'm dancing too.
Here's a close-up of the sunflower. They're so pretty. One of my favorite flowers and colors. But overall, my favorites are tulips.
We left the sunflower field and we were really hungry and thirsty from walking around. So we picked up some Taco Bell and don't forget the Baja Blast. Now we're going home.